Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any new website, how we can generating SEO off-page backlinks. So we are starting one website will be here. The website will be iamfit.in. This website will be gym in Madhapur, gym in IT City, fitness center in Madhapur. People searching something else, how we can show your website will be Google ranking purpose. This is called we are generating for backlink. One of the website name is called Tumblr. Copy this URL. The option name is called link will be click here. First of all, you can decide what are those keywords I have to today's and how many websites. I'm selecting today is the 5 websites. The 5 websites taking from here and do this particular submission. So that is we can do for here is the particular option. So now we can go with option will be here. What are the link will be not working properly? Just add will be text here. Add with the link option and create by the particular keywords and click for post now. So once it is a post now option will be done, they can see will be like this. So that all link will be shown to the particular customers. Second thing will be here. We can promote by the keywords. Copy the link and it will be click here and the link will be accepting mode. Create by hyperlink. Next. What are those? Create by the image. Image purpose, no need to worry about that. Simple. Right click, copy email address, select from here, insert. Automatically, image we can show to the particular customers. What are the image you will be design here. And after that, click your particular tags. Tags will be common. N number of we can use will be here. So I already adding that keywords will be here. Not like that. This already we can add will be into particular option. Gym, Madhapur. Madhapur Gym. Scroll down. Click for post. Same like that, we can using for flowga.com. First of all, register important and login important. When click for login will be here. So what are the content you will be posting? Not only for this content, any kind of blogs. What are the blogs you design? Click for copy and so what are the login you have? Click for login option and click for the login will be here. Click for add link and click this. Click for submit. Automatically they show your title and description, everything will be here. If you're not showing, you will be title everything. You can add your as usual. Write this option. Click it. I'm not a robot and save this item. So when you click this link, they go to your particular website. So the same like you can create by the n number of backlinks. So how many backlinks you have? Create the n number of backlinks will be here. Next option will be select will be so many websites will be there. Then this will one of the website name is called scoop.it. So website will be not working. So you can go with the which option will be better get here? You can go with the get pocket. The simple login will be done will be here. There will be saves, discover, everything will be here. Click for plus option. Simple solution. Copy the URL here and paste it, add it. There is a fraction of seconds, the content will be here. In this particular website, you can add by the links and you can add by the particular option will be using for YouTube links. Anything will be possible in your particular option. Click for it. See this one, share, achieve, anything will be here. Add your tag, your particular option. And so same like that, so many website will be there. So that is we can use utilize from the here book mark for you. So these are all website we can generating for backlink for a particular website. Same process we can follow it. That is helped by the particular will be here. So next one, Instapaper. Click this. First of all, decide how many links will create will be here. Then you can decide will be here and add your login and click for the sign in will be here. Same like how it is happening for plus icon. Same will be given by the Instapaper also will be same. Same like that. You can generating for so many backlinks. They will reflected by the in your particular website. You will be understanding the content purpose. So follow these tips and add your backlinks, number of websites, everything will be possible here. So these are all nothing but searching free social bookmark sites in 2023. Search it and upload the content. They are all generated for referral traffic. When clicks will be happen, number of posts, so automatically generating by the lead on the particular campaign option. If any backlinks purpose, if any question, please contact our channel and definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.